Hi guys, we're back. September 27, daily chart, Euro Canadian. That's what you're looking at right now. Pretty much my top favorite trading opportunity at the moment. I mean, aside from the fact that we are registering about 140 pip of profit, I actually managed to grow this one into a sizable position. So, really good news. I mean, we haven't touched base on this one for a few days, and you can see what happened here in the last few days, right? So the last time I touched base was after price pretty much ended a downside correction, a local downside correction, and you remember this particular encounter with the mid-low key level at 50.71. We were watching this live, and I specifically said that this is probably the end of the downside correction. If you see this type of reaction right here on the very important key level, such as this one, it's like picking money off the floor. That's how I felt at this point. And we've done in this case, we've done a pretty remarkable maneuver. If you remember, we started here on the upside. Once we noticed price was starting to reverse after taking the previous low, I noted that there's a potential for a sideways movement, meaning a trading range, and I was thinking about trying to catch the third leg, right? We had two legs, so we started here. We went, things have gone very well up until price met the 280 moving average. Right? We saw that reaction. We saw how price completely changed direction, completely bounced off. And I suspect that this is going to be a serious downside correction. So we pulled out. We took a nice profit, by the way. And then, of course, we waited on the sideline until we had that amazing opportunity to pick it up again in a much, much cheaper price. So we've done that. And we're still waiting to see price hit the first price target, right? I mean, you can also address this one as a main price target. This is the mid-high key level. We gotta give that level the requested respect. In this case, it could be a difficult resistance. But I also addressed the 55.80, the previous high level, and pointed out to be as another price target. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm allocating some of the trades that I have here to end up at the 54.25 and some of them to end up at the 55.80. And that's of course according to the reaction we're going to have once price hits that level. If it's going to be a clean-cut break, then obviously I will continue to hold some of the position going forward. But it starts to look pretty good. There's also the 280 moving average again that hovers pretty close above our head. It made a significant impact on the previous upside move. I'm not sure if it's going to do the same again, but usually second attempts are successful, so I don't predict there's going to be too much problem coming from the 200 daily moving average again. But we should be cautious once we touch base on the moving average. So we'll see how it goes. I'll follow up, I'll keep you posted, and we'll see you in the next video.